Welcome to Monteverde. In this video, we are going to visit Monteverde Cloud Forest and Salvatura Adventure Park, a place filled with breathtaking natural beauty and heart-pounding thrills. Get ready for an epic experience as you take on the longest zipline in Costa Rica and all of Latin America, stretching an incredible 5,220 feet, 1,590 meters. We have got our trusty GoPro 11 capturing every thrilling moment in stunning 4K. We stumble upon a group of playful coatis who didn't pay any attention to us. It was a magical moment to observe this fascinating creature in their natural habitat. Costa Rica's forests are a symphony of natural beauty, where lush greenery and diverse wildlife create a mesmerizing tapestry of wonder. After seeing the cloud forest, we went to the Salvatura Adventure Park to go ziplining, which is one of the most exciting things to do in Monteverde, Costa Rica. With our GoPro 11 4K video, you will feel like you are right there with us as we soar over the breathtaking rainforest, take a heart-pounding TARZAN jump, free fall from a towering 4,700 feet, and even unleash our inner superheroes by flying like a Superman over a mind-blowing distance of 4,461 feet, 1 mile. Make sure to watch this video till the end and don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button so you won't miss out on our amazing family adventures around the world. You might be thinking, how long does it take to get through the Salvatura Adventure Park? The ziplining tour at Salvatura takes approximately 2 hours to complete the entire course. Let me tell you about the ziplines at Salvatura. They have a great mix of high and low ziplines that go from 6 meters, 19.7 feet above the ground, all the way up to 178 meters, 584 feet above the ground. Imagine flying through a green forest, then flying high above the treetop canopy. It was a thrilling experience for us. Enjoy this unforgettable ziplining journey at Salvatura.
Pura vida!
It was amazing in every way. As we went down each zipline, our hearts were beating fast with joy and a sense of accomplishment. The rush of adrenaline through our bodies were electrifying, and the amazing view of the scenery around us made it even more so. It was a once-in-a-lifetime event that left us in wonder of the beauty and power of nature. specific zipline is highly popular for its incredible 1 kilometer length, and the experience is absolutely unbelievable. Salvatura Park near the Santa Elena cloud forest in Monteverde offers breathtaking scenery. With its high elevation and abundant rainfall, the park boasts vibrant flora.
Ready? Ready? Bye-bye. Ready?
Tarzan swing was absolutely amazing, giving us a thrilling and unforgettable experience.
Yeah, a little bit more. More?
Flying like a superhero above the lush forest was one of the most thrilling things we have ever done. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more thrilling content. All of this was part of a 2.2-mile zipline journey that we will never forget. Let us know in the comment section below, what do you think? Stay adventurous, keep exploring and embrace your own exhilarating experiences. Until next time, chase those incredible moments.
The most important thing, enjoy Costa Rica, enjoy Monteverde and have a good day.
Thank you. Gracias. Pura vida.
Holiday is good thanks to people like you.
Thank you.